Hello friends, this video on triangle and its properties part 13 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So without discussing it any further, we will quickly move into the questions, because when we start solving questions using the same property, the concept will get clearer. So let's look at question number 1. Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? Now you see, this is another interesting thing. Now we can tell even without looking at the triangle. So you do not really have the triangle. Just by looking at the dimension of the sides, you can tell whether you can draw a triangle with these numbers or you can't. That's so interesting, right? So just because you know this property now, that sum of the two sides must be greater than the third side, only then you'll be able to make a triangle out of it. So here you have 6, 3 and 2. So what we will do is, we will try sum of two sides and we will check if it is greater than the third side or not. So let us start with 6 and 3. So 6 plus 3. What is 6 plus 3? It is 9, which is greater than the third side, that is 2. Now let's try with 6 plus 2, which is 8, and this is greater than the third side, that is 3. Now let's try with 3 plus 2, which is 5. Is it greater than 6? It is not. It is less than 6. So that means in this case, looking at this, the condition is not satisfied. So here, sum of the two sides is not greater than the third side. Therefore, drawing a triangle with these three sides is not possible. So if you want, you can actually try it out. Take a ruler and draw a line of 6 centimeters. Then you try to draw a line of 3 centimeters. And then you try to draw a line of 2 centimeters. And you'll see that they'll never meet. They'll never form a triangle. So they will always remain somewhat like this. So you try it out yourself. You try all possible orientations and you will never be able to come up with a triangle. So this is one very interesting thing, isn't it? That you have just the numbers or just the lengths of the sides and you can decide whether you'll be able to make a triangle out of it or not. Nice. So let's look at question number 2. AM is the median of a triangle ABC. So we have to tell, is AB plus BC plus CA, that is sum of the three sides, is it greater than 2AM? So sum of the three sides greater than twice the length of the median. Is this true or not? So let us see. Let us try to prove whether it is true or false. So what do we know about median? Now what is AM? AM is a median. And what does a median do? A median divides a triangle into two smaller triangles of equal areas. That actually means that it divides this bigger triangle ABC. That means the triangle ABC has been divided into two triangles. That is triangle AMB and triangle AMC. So that is what the median has actually done. It has divided the bigger triangle into two smaller triangles. Now let us focus on this smaller triangle AMB. So in this smaller triangle also, the side lengths property should remain the same. That is, sum of the lengths of two sides must be greater than the third side. So in this triangle, we can say that AB plus BM is greater than AM. That is, this side plus this side is greater than AM. Now why are we keeping AM on the right hand side? Because what we have to prove is also on the same lines. So something that we need to prove, there also we see that AM is on the right hand side. So that is why we have taken it like this. AB plus BM is greater than AM. Otherwise, this relation is also true, that AM plus BM is greater than AB. But we are not taking it that way because this is where we want to reach. So we kept AM on the right hand side. In a similar fashion, if we focus on triangle AMC, here also we can say that sum of AC and CM will be greater than AM. So we can say AC plus CM will be greater than AM. So this is equation 1. This is our relation 2. Now if we add 1 and 2. So how do we add 1 and 2? We add left hand side with left hand side. We add right hand side with right hand side. Right? So left hand side will become AB plus BM plus AC plus CM. This is greater than, right hand side would be AM plus AM, that is 2AM. So on the left hand side we have AB plus BM, which is this part, BM, plus AC, which is this part, plus CM. So basically BM plus CM is nothing but BC. So BC is equal to BM plus CM. So here this BM plus CM can be written as BC. And other than that we have AB, other than that we have AC. So basically what is the relation that we have obtained? We found AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2AM. And that is what was asked in the question, where if this is equal or not. So we can say that yes, this relation is true. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.